DJI is about to release a new lineup of drones, the DJI Flip. Additionally, the Mini Pro 5 series and MAVIC 4 are expected to be announced soon. According to rumors, sources say that the DJI Flip is a kind of mix between the DJI Neo and DJI Mini 4 Pro. It inherits the excellent camera from the latter and the flexible concept of operating either via a classic controller or an app from the DJI Neo. The 4 propellers, enclosed in protective cages, can be folded underneath the 249-gram drone, creating a very unusual look for drones, which can now be seen from several angles in newly released official images. Behind the optics, the DJI Flip is equipped with a 48-megapixel sensor with a 1 by 1.3-inch format and an 82.1-degree field of view. It supports 4K video at a maximum frame rate of 100 frames per second, providing excellent slow motion and video quality. Additionally, it offers 4 times digital zoom and can capture photos in RAW format. Vertical recording in 2K is also supported, making it convenient for uploading to social media. Naturally, it includes 10-bit D-Log-M support. The drone, with a 22.3 watt-hour battery, can fly for up to 31 minutes at speeds of up to 16 meters per second, ascend to an altitude of up to 3,000 meters, though it will likely be limited to 500 meters, and withstand wind speeds of up to 10.7 meters per second. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6 with a minimum latency of 120 milliseconds. In addition to its 2 gigabytes of built-in memory, it also supports microSD XC cards. The drone can be controlled either with a controller or via an app. The display and LIDAR sensor on the front scan the surroundings to improve obstacle avoidance. This feature, described as AI object tracking, helps keep objects in view quickly and accurately. Whether you're traveling through a forest or climbing steep peaks, the DJI Flip acts as your personal director, capturing every move with precision. DJI Flip offers 6 intelligent shooting modes, providing dynamic angles to enhance creative possibilities. The drone is equipped with 3 DTOF sensors, enabling automatic braking even at night. Thanks to the DJI O4 video transmission system, the DJI Flip supports 1080p/60 fps video transmission at distances up to 13 kilometers and boasts excellent interference protection, allowing you to explore vast landscapes with clarity. Pair it with the DJI RCN3 or RC2 remote controller to capture majestic landscapes. The DJI Flip's parallel charging station allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, significantly reducing charging time and ensuring you don't miss any thrilling moments. DJI has also introduced a new feature, voice control, which activates when you say, "Hey, fly." The DJI Flip will officially launch on Tuesday, January 14th. The first official teaser was presented last week, but the drones are already available in online stores from some retailers, including MediaMarkt in Spain, as we were able to confirm.